ngiyabona most abantu bayi-avoid le ndaba le but kumele kukhulunywe ngayo. Kumele kukhulunywe ngayo le ndaba le, abantu abaningi abafuna ukuyi-mention. So la sino Evidence Makgopa. Evidence Makgopa is one of the strikers esinazo go-Orlando Pirates, yebo. Kuyi-striker esinazo sinobani, sino Evidence Makgopa, Tsegofaso Mabasa, sibe noZakhelele Pasa. Zakhelele Pasa currently usakwi-rehab, uzobuya anytime soon. Usathanda kubuya nayo Rajubane, beyikwiloni nayo Mshida, nayo wahlala kwi-injury kancane, usathanda kubuya. Tsegofaso Mabasa benoMakgopa izona striker esiyisebenzisayo at the moment. But kunomehluko between these two strikers. Nayo njalo uRajubane nayo watholile ama-minutes ngosikadlala ne-Sundowns. But between these three strikers, I wouldn't count uRajubane as a starter or as umdlali ojwayele ukuba featured in Orlando Pirates games because kujwayele kungena uMabasa benoMakgopa. So I'll try to describe these two strikers. Sengayenza i-video before ngichazela kabanzi indlela abadlala ngakhona. Yebo, uMakgopa, ngizokhuluma uMakgopa la. uMakgopa is not the type of striker that gives you goals. Yebo, I'm not saying he can't score goals. He can score goals. He can score crucial goals. Yebo, adingakalayo. But it's not the type of striker. Yebo, akusiyena le striker lesi umusifaya egroundini ungasifaya lesi mhlawumbe sokuproducela amagoli. But yena umjida uyalazi. Umjida yabo uMakgopa for me is that type of striker okwazi ukudonsa i-defense. Yebo, mengithi udonsa i-defense, wenza i-defense ibe busy. Yebo, wenza i-defense ibe busy mase ecreate ispace esiningi for ama-teammates wakhe ukuthi akhahlele. Yebo, angazi noma ngichaza kahle yini lona, but uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola lomjida lo, uyakwazi ukulihold ibhola, uyakwazi mfethu ukuthena nama-defender, unayo futhi nane-pace nyana, nambone kadlala ne-Sundowns. So inayo into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo la, yebo ngingabi mude kakhulu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngokuthi Orlando Pirates currently sine-winger laka-right eliyi-1. Winger laka-right eliyi-1 ubani? uNkota. Winger laka-right uNkota esilisebenzisayo. Mase sishintsha ngobani? Sishintsha ngoShando, which is not a good thing, to be honest. That is not a good thing. Why don't we play uMakgopa as a right wing mesishintsha uNkota? Yebo, noma mhlawumbe siqalise uMakgopa on the right wing position, mase sithi lapha ku-number 9 sibeke uMabasa, mase sithi ku-number 10 sibeke uDlamini or Maswangai, yabo, or uMfokeng. Yabo, ngenzeka phela noMfokeng nawe uyakwazi ukudlala number 10. Mase sithi lapha ka left udlala uMfokeng meme khona uDlamini oTito ku-number 10 position. Because umjida wangikhombisa mina kule game yeSundowns uyakwazi ukudlala as i-winger. Uyakwazi umjida ukudlala as i-winger, wabona edlula ko-Aubrey Modiba, wabona edlula ko-Suarez. Indlela edlula ngakhona. Yebo, awuthi yabo angazi bafethu, but for me the guy can play as a winger. We can use Evidence Makgopa as a winger. Afele ukuthi Jose Rivero iyona into yagude ngakhona. Iyakwazi ukuthatha abadlali abangayidlala iposition abajwayele ukuyidlala abafake khona. And funa khona baya-excela ngempela uma bafaka kulowo ma-position. Yebo, uyababona nje o-Evidence. Yebo, o-Evidence bayashoshela lapha. Uyababona nje uDion Hotto efika wayi-wing, but uJose Rivero wamfaka kakhulu kuleya position yokuba left back. Yebo, usereliable kuleya position yokuthi abe yi-left back. But ke ngezwe ngani bafethu, should we consider playing uEvidence Makgopa as a winger from now on, or we should opt to play him as a number 9? Because as a number 9, I don't want to lie, we don't get many goals, but we get a lot of assists from Evidence Makgopa. We get a lot of service from Evidence Makgopa because uyakwazi umjida ukulihold ibhola, uyakwazi ukushaya ama-runs abalulekile. Inkinga yakhe akekho akwazi ukuyipositiona kahle. Yebo, angazi noma ngiyayenza in sense ngizothini. Let's say ibhola badlala espacing. Ibhola liyadlalwa espacing. Akekho quick ukuthi akwazi ukuyi-reader. Yabo, uyahluleka ukuyi-reader. But uMabasa uyakwazi ukuyi-reader. Yebo, mekuzodlalwa nje ibhola espacing uyambona enqasha. Ngeke umbone kuMakgopa enqasha engene espacing. uMakgopa lo mdlali loyo. Yebo, angazi ngempela but nje mfethu angazi noma ngiya-understand yini.